Hello and welcome to Lincoln Wills. My name is David Dexter and I'm an associate of Collective Legal Solutions. Before you access other parts of the site, I think there are one or two statistics which might surprise you. At the moment, 6 out of 10 people have just not made a will, and therefore they're likely to die intestate and subject to the intestacy rules which were drawn up over 100 years ago. Those rules don't account for the current situation with regard to families, mobile families, etc. In addition to that, today alone there will be 200 houses sold by dependents and relatives in respect of people who have had to move into care, and in order to pay those care fees the relatives have had to sell the property. On top of that, of course, if a relative becomes incapable of looking after their own financial affairs, then it's necessary to get authority in the form of a power of attorney. Without that, you have to go through the court of protection, and that's a long-winded exercise and costs you an awful lot of money. So there are various things you can do in order to plan for the future and to make sure that you're covered whatever the circumstances may arise in your family. We're experts in the provision of wills. We're experts in trusts to be included in wills to ensure often that a good part of your property is not liable to meet care fees. There are even lifetime property protection trusts which under certain circumstances can also have the effect of being set aside before care fees have to be considered. So we do these things for you. What happens is I come along and see you, we discuss what it is you want, and I give you any advice that I think is appropriate. You're under no obligation, and before you give me any instructions, I will give you a quotation as to what the work will cost if we do it for you. At that stage, if you think we're too expensive or you don't like me, then obviously you can show me the door. But over the past few years I find that people like to discuss these things in the privacy of their own home, and usually they can see the sense in planning for the future so that there is an inheritance left for children and loved ones, and everybody feels very confident and satisfied at the end of the day. Please take your time and go through the site and fill the form in below if you would like me to call and see you. So I look forward to hearing from you at some time in the future.